glad you're not hurt. It is odd, though. I thought this would be somewhere that was out of your reach.
Bitch, it was on the couch.
Fucking damn it. Where on earth did you find this eye? Are you sure it's on the couch?
I'm sorry, it was on the couch, like I said. It was on the couch. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Father. Father, I'm sorry. The couch, the living room couch, the couch that everyone uses to sit down while they watch their TV. Just kidding, TV doesn't exist. What is TV?
It's a rope. Oh. Oh, what the hell's with the lights?
Take the fucking chainsaw. As you have apparently either in like your pocket or something.
That's what I do. That's what I carry. Oh!
What the fuck? Oh no. You're fucked. Felt like something grabbed my I mean like...
My third leg. Oh!
Oh god! No!
Oh god!
No! Oh, I'm going to get dragged away!
Oh, it's hurting me! Oh, no! Crawl! Crawl!
Fish, press Z! Push Z!
Go!
Push Z!
No.
Fucking invisible shit.
Oh shit. It looks
Who the hell is
actually running now.
Angelic?
Look at that. Did it always do that? Never mind.
Trent has a secret life that I don't know about.
How do I fucking swing this shit? Shit. Oh, that's how. Oh, that's fucking crazy.
It's gonna destroy everything now.
Ew, that water.
What the fuck?
That water.
Was that an arm?
No, that was water.
Oh. Alright, well it's not as scary now.
Alright, we're good. What?
What you can do there? You just want to save. In case you fuck up.
Oh, what's this? Oh, something. Oh, what the hell? The bodies are gone now.
Ugh. Get the chainsaw ready.
Curse that. Doing every says and so deceived as to true
Wait,
nature.
stop. I want to try. Don't go past this yet. I want to try a new dialogue. And so deceived as to true nature.
Okay, that works.
Going to create. She's even crazier than the doctor. Plot twist! It's the fucking mom.
No, you didn't know that?
Well, whatever. What should I care? I suppose. I once was a young lad like you. Then I took an arrow to the fucking knee. You can't chainsaw light, bitch!
I like chainsawing light.
I am an old man still. Go, go, go. Go, go, Power Rangers. No, I don't know anything about this game, Trent. The fucking mom is the bad person?
It kind of said that a second ago, because she's the one who done all this.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said. Plot twist.
It said a while ago, though. I just said.
What? Okay.
Ah!
Ah!
Can I
see. Can't see anything. That man took away my eyes. Locked from the inside.
want to hear it again? No,
Can't see.
Stop. Open sesame.
Won't open.
Doors.
The door is firmly shut.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up.
Why are you such a dick?
Why you gotta take all my lines? Why you gotta take all... Oh.
Because the box is warmly fermented
Oh,
against the
that's
wall.
something
What?
else. You gotta know when to hold them. Knock to the door.
Unlock the door.
My fucking god.
Bitch, we can just share dialogue. God. Sharing is caring, fucker.
But you're taking all the lines.
Fine. You get to be the girl for a while.
No.
That's exactly the fucking problem. You expect me to be this high-pitched bitch all the time. Just kidding. It's okay.
I'm confused as to where I am supposed to go now. Maybe this is open up. Nope, it didn't.
Maybe your dick is opened up.
Maybe it is.
Because it's firmly spewing out of your fucking face. Okay, I'm good.
Yeah. You gotta know when to hold them. Know when to hold them. Know when to run away. And know when to run. You better count your money.
Wait, so you go on Gaia and spread news of your frickin'
No.
YouTube?
That's no. Not on that site. I don't know where to go now. You're getting lazy, Shane. You're getting lazy.
Oh, I was actually looking at Twitter.
You're getting lazy.
Oh.
My god. Fuck off. Where else am I supposed to go? Hesitated. I don't know. Forever. Forever. God damn, he's so quiet. What?
Me?
Yes.
Maybe that's because you were an asshole.
Fuck you.
Me?
No, that thing that just hit me. I am at that spot. Oh, tough spot. The mini chainsaw run out of fuel or something? Oh. I remember this room. No. No! Why does it not let me? Do I have to take the door down?
Chainsaw? Question mark.
Nope. Why would I even need the chainsaw out at this point? There has to be something here. That'd be horrible.
What?
I have the chainsaw out next to the old man. What's next? She's fainted. Did I ever go down this way? No, I didn't. This is where the... Okay, I got a wood bucket now. Strangeness. Ah. Thoughts of unknown substances. Ah! Ah!
Ew.
Yeah. Look at those eyes though.
Gross.
There we go. Can I pick those eyes up? Guess not.
Bro, like, what the fuck does that thing have 2 heads?
That's normal. Oh. Guyball bottle. There we go. I got everything I need from this area now. What do I do with it? Question mark. What can I possibly do with a bucket? I feel like the bucket's for out here for some reason.
Trent.
Yeah, that's not it. What? Fuck off.
I have to upload on my channel because I haven't for a couple days.
You got anything
But I'm
to
not sure.
upload?
No, I don't.
That's a problem.
Exactly. Not sure if people even want more only if, so I might just not continue the series.
You gotta do what you enjoy. Mom spaghetti. Oh wait, my mom's dead. That's sad.
That's unfortunate.
She keeps on forgetting mom spaghetti. Okay, the question is, what do I do next with the bucket and the eyeballs?
I'll upload Daquan's mixtape. Fucking Daquan.
Who's the Quan?
Your mom's asshole liquor.
You. Don't
You do. You just think you don't, but you do. Alright, go chainsaw that fucking, like, dog or whatever that was.
I tried to, but I can't pull it out here. Can't pull it out if you know what I mean.
Pull-out game is weak.
Stop.
Stop what?
It's not weak.
You can't stop, so why would I stop? Ha ha ha.
Nice guys finished last.
I'll finish you off, bitch!
Oh. But she keeps on forgetting mom spaghetti.
You know what? What's the program you used to make you that intro? Because then I can just make it myself.
There is no. There is none.
What are
Oh,
you talking? They're just there.
I got sticky keys. What?
Just walk down the stairs.
That's what I thought. And they disappear.
What the fuck? That's trippy.
Question mark? What? Even? Do they reappear or something? Oh, if you want, you can do something, and I'll stop recording for tonight.
Alright,
Is that what you want?
sure.
Let me just do something real quick. Let me check if it's not recording. in this room now. Just go. Who's away? Ah, my away. Oh. Check all the rooms that I used to be in. Okay, I'm not gonna check those. Let me check the back.
Did you stop recording?
Not yet. God damn it. Why you have to rush me? Why you gotta do this?
Because I do.
Why? Maybe we're the woman who sets fire to everything.
Me?
Us. In the book. Damn it. Why you gotta do this? You're so out of it today.
Maybe it's because I worked 12 hours.
Jesus.
Just kidding, I only worked like 8. I've worked longer shifts than 12 hours, so I've worked not legal shit, man. Like McDonald's is up to some illegal shit over there.
I got this on video.
It's okay. That's okay. It's not gonna affect me.
It'll affect them though. I just noticed a fucking ton of barrels up here and I didn't even slice them.
Can you push that pot off?
Nope.
A collection of pots.
So I guess that's because I can't find anything else.
That's the fucking end.
I didn't do that though.
Would you like some baking pudding? What?
I'm done, so say goodbye. You can do the outro.
Goodbye!